Welcome to Code Lover, where we decode tech for you. Hey coders, are you wondering which programming languages are worth your time in 2025? Let me help you choose wisely. Whether you're a beginner or switching stacks, this video is made for you. 1. JavaScript. Still leading the game. JavaScript is the web. From websites to mobile apps using React Native, it's everywhere. If you love building UIs or front-end scripting, JavaScript remains essential. 2. Python, the all-rounder language. Python is versatile, beginner-friendly, and booming in domains like data science, machine learning, and AI. Its simple syntax and large number of libraries make coding easier and more efficient. 3. Go, Golang created by Google. Go is becoming popular for back-end development. With its efficient execution and clean syntax, it's ideal for cloud services and has excellent support for concurrency. 4. Rust. If you're interested in systems programming, Rust is your go-to. Known for safety and performance, Rust is winning over developers who require precision, like game developers and systems engineers. 5. Kotlin. Designed as a Java alternative, Kotlin has become the official language for Android development. It offers modern language features and easy interoperability with Java, making mobile app development smoother. In a fast-evolving tech landscape, staying updated with the right programming languages can propel your career. Experiment, build, and most importantly, enjoy the learning process. We hope this guide helps you on your programming journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content on Code Lover. Outro animation with background music.